Hi, I'm James from Fishbowl. Today we're going to ask the question, what is FDA compliance? Specifically, how does it affect the manufacturer or the warehouse worker? Well, obviously you have your foods, your drugs, you throw that in with some regulation and laws and boom, FDA. So simple, right? Well, most importantly, they cover three main areas. And that is the laws and regulations over these things, safety, and approval for products that have already come down the line or upcoming products. They are the one that you're going to be going through. Now, for the warehouse side of business, you need to be able to track all of your products in and out because let's say that there's a recall. You need to be able to identify by batch number, lot number, where those parts or materials may be so that you, by federal regulation, can let your other customers know so that they can be promptly pulled. Expiration, this is part of that. You have to properly be able to cycle through the products that may be time sensitive. And your ability to do this is going to be important so that you can be FDA compliant. Now on the manufacturer side, manufacturers want to make sure that if necessary, depending on the industry, they're properly certified by the FDA for the manufacturing of whatever goods may be under their purview. You also need to be able to identify and properly label those products or parts that you are manufacturing so that they can be passed down the line to other customers and consumers. And finally, storage. Even in some of your raw goods or even finished products, there may be parts, materials that may need to be kept separate from one another. And that's really important that you keep that regulated and you keep your eye on that so that you can stay FDA compliant. Now, if you have any other questions about this, the best place to check it out is fda.gov, not .com, because they have a whole list of stuff. There is a ton of regulation depending on the industry that you're in. But if you want one way to help yourself keep compliant, keep track of all these things, whether it's expiration dates, tracking item numbers, batch, lot, etc., check out fishbowlinventory.gov where you can keep track of all of your inventory, your assets, etc., to help you maintain that standard necessary for FDA compliance. That's this Whiteboard Wednesday. I'm James. Thanks.